The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services issuing new recommendations to help prevent the spread of COVID in schools this year. The recommendations lining up with guidance coming down from the CDC and what they're calling layering prevention measures. On top of encouraging vaccines, they recommend wearing a mask indoors regardless of your vaccination status, with both the mouth and the nose covered. And keep in mind, face coverings are required on school buses as part of a federal mandate. The state also encouraging schools to maintain at least 3 feet of space between kids in classrooms, along with continuing to have proper hand washing, staying home when sick, and getting tested. It also recommends improving ventilation through HVAC systems and opening up doors and windows. We have that full list right now at fox17online.com. Well, we wanted to know how our local schools plan to put these new recommendations to use. Tonight, we are checking in with West Michigan's largest school district to find out.
Grand Rapids Public Schools was one of the only districts that strictly followed this guidance from start to finish. And now we are planning to be 100% in person 5 days a week starting on Tuesday, August 24.
And as students return to the classroom, Grand Rapids Public Schools will be recommending both kids and staff wear face coverings indoors regardless of vaccination status. The district emphasizing that masks don't need to be worn outside at this time.
But it's not required, and our time and energy is not going to be spent policing masks or vaccination status.
The district will be practicing layered mitigation strategies to prevent the spread of COVID, including hand washing, cleaning classrooms and buildings, and keeping their air clean.
And we will continue to implement all the other mitigation measures, from ventilation, which we had portable ventilation units installed in the areas after we did an independent study with the ventilation.
When it comes to sports, they say they're going to continue to follow guidance from the Michigan High School Athletic Association, which is aligned with recommendations put out by the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services on Wednesday. The list from the state is getting a lot of mixed reviews from parents, many applauding the recommendation, saying they'll feel safer sending their kids back to class. But others call it oppressive and say their kids shouldn't have to wear a mask. Some even threatening to go back to homeschooling should the recommendations become a mandate.
We know that there are parents that feel very strongly on both sides of this, as there are staff members that feel that way. We are strongly encouraging all of our staff persons to model this guidance.
And as the start of school inches closer, GRPS says they'll continue to monitor the data, working closely with the Kent County Health Department to keep everyone as safe as possible.
Our hope is to get us back to normal and to really focus in on the academic, social, emotional, mental supports our students need, that social interaction that the kids are yearning for. GRPS is also reminding parents to complete their online enrollments for their kids with updated contact information. They also say they no longer have the same flexibility to do virtual or hybrid learning that they were doing during the height of the pandemic.